In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a weather to Slack workflow. We're going to do this by connecting a weather app inside Slack so you can start bringing forecast information directly into your workspace. This is a simple setup, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few moments. To get started, open Slack and navigate to the Agents and Apps area. This is where Slack keeps the tools, integrations, and add-ons you can use to expand what your workspace can do. If you're new to this section, take a second to get familiar with the layout, because this is where most app-based workflows begin. Once you're there, click on Connect Apps. This opens the area where you can find services and tools that integrate with Slack. Think of this as the gateway to adding outside functionality into your workspace. Next, click on Browse All Apps. This will take you to the Slack App Marketplace, where you can search through available apps. Since we're looking for a weather-based workflow, we want to narrow the list down right away instead of scrolling manually. In the search field, type in weather. This should bring up weather-related apps and forecast tools that work with Slack. Searching this way makes it much faster to find the exact integration you need. From the results, click on Forecast. This is the app we'll use for this setup. Opening the app page lets you review the integration and move into the installation process. Now click on Add to Slack. This begins the process of connecting the Forecast app to your Slack workspace. At this stage, Slack may ask for confirmation or permissions so the app can function properly inside your workspace. That's normal whenever you install a new app. On the next page, click on Add to Slack again. This second confirmation completes the app connection process from the provider's side and finalizes the setup. After that, the weather app should be added to your Slack environment and ready to use as part of your workflow. If you're following along, make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace before adding the app. That's a small detail, but it can save time if you manage multiple workspaces. And that's it. You've now set up the foundation for a weather to Slack workflow by finding the Forecast app and adding it to Slack. From here, you can continue using the app inside your workspace to bring weather updates into your team's communication flow.